friends, many times you must have seen the leech. If the leech sticks to your body, it will start sucking blood and it will not stop until its stomach is full. But many times you must have seen that to remove this blood sucking leech from your body, people put salt on it, and as soon as salt is applied to leech's body, leech dies instantly. But do you know that why leech dies after adding salt on it? So let's know in this video. You will be surprised to know that more than 700 species of leech exist on our planet. But not all species of leech suck human blood. There is a species of leech whose number is found in the largest amount on earth, and that is the most blood-sucking species of leech. The name of that species is Haematophagus or blood-feeding leech. This species of leech, known as Haematophagus, is found in almost every part of the world except Antarctica only, and this is the most blood-sucking species of leech. Leech is found in places with the highest humidity, but when leech starts sucking our blood, many people instruct us that if we put salt on leech, it will be die, and this method actually works and we can get rid of this leech. But have you ever thought that after adding salt to leech, why does it die? In simple words, whenever we drizzle salt on the leech, salt absorbs all the water that present in the leech's body, and due to changes in the osmotic pressure, leech is killed because all the blood vessels of the leech become ruptured and his cells also stop working. But what is osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure is the minimum pressure which needs to be applied to a solution to prevent the inward flow of its pure solvent across a semi-permeable membrane. Osmotic pressure is also defined as the measure of the tendency of a solution to take in pure solvent by osmosis. For example, when we put raisins under a glass of water to soaking for the whole night, and when we watch in the morning, the size of the raisins increases because the water that present in the glass goes inside the raisins. Another example is when we put grapes inside the salt, the grapes become shrinks and dilutes because all the water of the grapes is sucked by the salt. This is called osmotic pressure. All the water that present inside the grapes is sucked by the salt. In the same way, all the water that present in the leech's body is also sucked by the salt, and because of this osmotic pressure changes, leech dies. Now we will know some amazing and interesting facts about the leech which you have never heard before. Leech has been living on this planet for the same number of years as human has been living on this planet. Do you know that leech is used in Ayurvedic treatment? Many types of diseases are treated with the help of the leech, in which piles is a common disease. Many surgeons also use leech during operation, and this allows them to remove excess blood present on the patient's body like a mini vacuum pump. There is a species of leech in the Amazon rainforest whose body size is more than 18 inches and they live more than 20 years of age. You will be surprised to know that leech is an incredible creature which has a mouth on both sides for sucking the blood. This fact will surprise you. Do you know that how many brains does leech have? You will say 1 or 2, but no man, this is not right answer. A leech have 32 brains. This superpower of the leech is same like ants. A leech has the ability to suck bloods more than 5 times of its own body weight. When a leech starts to sucking our blood, during that time we don't have any kind of pain. But how it can be possible? During the time of blood sucking, leech sprayed a special type of chemical on the skin, and that chemical makes the surrounding of the skin temporarily numb or anesthetized. Your one like is very precious for us, so please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.